It has moved in several parts. Krista, you mentioned it's going to be a windy day too.
Yeah, we just have a lot to talk about as far as a wide range of weather conditions. So not the most pleasant finish to our work week, especially considering that we started it with severe storms on Monday. We had 2 confirmed tornadoes. We have a severe weather risk again today. Now, as we head on into the afternoon, that's when that picks up. But right now we're talking just showers that are around central Indiana, moving their way north. So they're now making their way into northern Hamilton County, northern Boone County, looking quite wet around Marion County. So wherever you're driving around that 465 loop, it's going to be rather soggy out there. We are looking at even heavier showers farther south, Bedford, Bloomington, Bloomfield. That's where we have some more steady, more moderate to heavy rainfall at this time. We have some thunderstorm activity just south of central Indiana, and we're going to have that increasing risk of that as we head through the morning and on into the afternoon as well. At this time, that's all concentrated to southern and southwestern Indiana, even into parts of Kentucky. And we are looking at the risk of severe weather, especially I-70 and south. That's going to be the more favorable location. If we were to get some of that going into the afternoon, that's the more favorable spot for it. Even at this time, the Storm Prediction Center is considering issuing a tornado watch south of the state, but that is something that we will be watching to see if that is issued, if they extend it farther north. It's not just rain and storms. The northern side of the state is going to be dealing with a very heavy snowstorm as we head on into the afternoon and evening with significant snowfall expected. Winter storm warnings are in place here in pink. Even a couple of our northern counties, White and Cass County, under a winter weather advisory this afternoon on into the evening. Also very gusty. Non-thunderstorm related winds gusting up to 45 miles an hour will be possible. This could down trees and it could cause some power outages too. So a lot going on as we close out this week on Friday. At this time, we're looking at showers in Indianapolis with temperatures at 41, 39 in Muncie, and 41 in Bedford. Here we are in Future View taking you through 8 a.m. and these showers continuing to lift north. The heaviest will still be concentrated south of I-70 as we head through the morning. This is 10 a.m. You can see that activity continues to pick up. Here we are at noon, and this is the time I'd say that severe weather threat window opens. That risk for damaging winds and that chance for a couple of rotating storms. That's certainly a possibility as well. We'll have that threat from about noon to 4 o'clock with the potential of a squall line coming through, and some of that could be embedded within there. Now, as we head on into the late afternoon and evening hours, the rain will start to ease. We'll start to mix colder air in on the backside of this system, and we could even see more of central Indiana closer to Indianapolis, so I-70 and north, starting to mix in some wet snowflakes as this system ends on into the evening hours, and then everything calms down after that. But that's a lot to get through. On top of that, rainfall itself is going to be an issue, where we had a flood watch that is in place now through 1 a.m. tomorrow morning, and 2 to 3 inches of rainfall expected across much of the state, with some areas picking up localized higher amounts. And again, those winds gusting up to 45 miles an hour will be also in the mix too. Looking at a high of 49 today, so after we get through this messy system for Friday, we actually look pretty nice on into the weekend. We start to warm up, we quiet down. Saturday we'll see decreasing clouds on into the afternoon and a high of 51. Sunday will be the better day of the weekend, a little more sunshine, a high of 58, and then Monday is going to be the best day here on the 7-day. But I want to tell you, take advantage of it, because with Monday and a high near 70 degrees, that's the last time we're going to see temperatures that warm for a while. I can tell you at the extended long-range forecast beyond this week, it is actually looking to take more of a cooler pattern. We'll have a couple of quiet days Tuesday and Wednesday, and Justin, if this is a sneak peek at what we have coming, Thursday looks like we could have some snow and rain late. Maybe some snow showers next Friday.